London, Reuters. 7 years ago, two middlemen launched civil lawsuits to seek payment for helping arrange a $1.3 billion oil deal in Nigeria. Now, 9 current and former executives or contractors from Italy Euro trademark SENI, ENI.MI, and British Dutch giant Royal Dutch Shell, RDSA.L, including ENI chief executive Claudio Di Scalzi, have been accused by Italian prosecutors of paying bribes to secure the license to explore a large offshore oil field in 2011. If found guilty, the individuals on trial face possible jail terms for bribery. All deny wrongdoing, as do Shell and ENI. The criminal trial will proceed in Milan on June 20 after a short initial hearing on May 14. Some of the key issues in the trial came to light during the two separate civil suits filed by a Nigerian, Emeka Obi, and a former Russian diplomat, Edna Negev, a Reuters review of court filings shows. Both men said they were owed millions of dollars by a Nigerian company, Malabu Oil and Gas, for arranging meetings with Shell and ENI. The judge in Obi Euro trademark's case upheld evidence that Obi arranged meetings between former Nigerian oil minister Dan Itet, who was convicted of money laundering in an unrelated case in France in 2007, and representatives of ENI, and that he negotiated on Itetia Euro trademark's behalf with Shell. In addition, documents produced in a Gava Euro trademark's case showed that when ENI and Shell paid for the license, they deposited more than $1 billion into a Nigerian government escrow account in London, but most of the money later ended up with Malabu, which was controlled by Itet, the judge said. The judges found that, in a conflict of interests, Itet had a stake in Malabu and was also oil minister when the Nigerian government awarded the company the license to explore the field in 1998, a decision that was reversed in 2001, reinstated in 2006 and later challenged by Shell. These details helped Italian prosecutors put together their case, industry insiders say. Itet denies charges of bribery for channeling money from the deal to Nigerian politicians. He and his lawyers did not respond to requests for comment by phone and email. Shell said by email that if improper payments are shown to have taken place, they were not made with Shell Euro trademark SA Euro or acknowledge, authorization or on its behalf a Euro. It said it believes the judges will find there is a Euro no case a Euro against Shell or its ex-employees. ENI said by email that it could not comment on the case. It has previously said it concluded the deal with the Nigerian government without the involvement of intermediaries and that it had no commercial agreement with Malabu. Legal battles. ENI and Shell said they were unable to confirm who owned Malabu when they acquired oil prospecting license, OPL, 245. But in her decision on Obi Euro trademark's civil case in London in July 2013, Lady Justice Elizabeth Gloucester upheld Itetia Euro trademark's control of Malabu, court records show. Basing her decision on testimony and documents, she said Itet had a stake in Malabu when it was awarded OPL 245 in 1998 and had been a Euro or principal beneficial owner a Euro since later that year. She said Obi had meetings with Shell representatives before the OPL 245 deal, though she did not say how many, and that he frequently met officials from ENI. On one occasion, Itet, Di Scalzi, Obi, and Agave sat together in a Milan restaurant at a dinner for the Euro or main personalities Euro to meet and assess the seriousness of their intentions, she said. She said Obi should be awarded at least $100 million for his work as a Euro deal maker a Euro, the court records show. Agave launched arbitration to seek a $65 million fee from Malabu for his work as a go-between and eventually reached an out-of-court settlement, details of which were not disclosed. While the arbitration was underway, he asked a court in New York to freeze a Nigerian government account in London that held $74 million, most of it due to be transferred to Malabu. The court said it had no authority to freeze the money but reviewed documents showing ENI and Shell had deposited just over $1 billion into the account as payment for OPL 245 in May 2011. A further $208 million was released from escrow as a Euro e-signature bonus a Euro for the government, court records show. Around $800 million was transferred to Malabo in August 2011 and the rest was frozen pending the civil cases. Agave declined to comment about his civil case or the Milan trial. Obi could not be reached for comment and attorneys who have represented him declined to pass on his contact details. ENI and Shell said their payments were above board as they went directly to the Nigerian government. JP Morgan Chase, which ran the escrow account, has denied negligence.